Hey guys, how's it going? And today we are talking about the Sip-A-Bowl. Yeah, Sip-A-Bowl. Now, I really wish that I had one of these when I was a child. I recently got this, my youngest kid, and it's for eating cereal out of. And every kid that I've ever known is a fan of cereal milk. When I grew up, I, would just drink my cereal milk, just lifting this up and, drinking it, or, scoop and scoop and scoop with my spoon. If I had an actual straw built into the bowl, I would be in heaven. To be able just to sip that cereal milk. It's so sweet, so nice, really good. It just makes Saturday morning really great. I like this a lot. When I saw this on the shelf, I was very happy. I knew I had to get one, and I even though I got this for my son to use, I had to try it out myself because it just seemed like a dream come true for a child, so I can say I did use the Sip-A-Bowl. I had to be able to do that. And so, yeah, this is really a real good way to have your cereal. I mean, kids love it. My son gets a real kick out of it. A lot of children will see this and be envious if they don't have one. I mean, I'm surprised I haven't seen any commercials or anything on this. And these are very cheap. And they come in assorted, different kinds of colors. It's a pretty average size bowl. It's not very big. That's the only thing. When I was eating cereal as a child, I would use a much bigger bowl than this. Not much bigger, but a little bit bigger. And as an adult, it's just crazy the size of cereal bowl I use right now. Yeah, these are really good. Kids love the straw built into the side. This plastic is non-toxic, which is good. It's very sturdy. This bowl is not a flimsy bowl. It's not going to rip or tear or get a hole in it. The utensils, poking it or anything, or if it falls. And they're really nice, colorful colors. I've seen it in blues and greens, and even a yellow and an orange. Red was my son's favorite color, so we got him the red one. He loves it. Yeah. I have also made this a gift for a few nephews of mine. They made such a big deal out of it. I mean, you would not think that this is a big deal, but for a kid, I mean, having a built-in straw, that's just, I guess you could have easily taken a straw, have your parents buy you a straw and just, put it in there. But it's something about having it built in that it seals the deal. It's really good. Actually, at first we only had one of these. For some reason, I don't know why, it got lost. It's in the house somewhere, or somebody took it, I don't know, and we couldn't find it anymore, and my son was very upset. So we went a few weeks before getting it again, because one place that was close by that actually had these, and we didn't get over there for a long while, and we weren't just gonna go just for this. We finally did get over to the store and we got one, and he acted like it was Christmas time when we brought it home. It was really a plus for him. He was enjoying it. He had like 3 bowls of cereal that day because he just wanted to use the straw. It's a really good invention. They should have thought of it a long time ago. Yeah. Every now and then, when no one's looking, I try to use it myself. It's really good. Yeah. You can use this for anything else. You don't have to use it just for cereal. You can use it for soup. Anything that's kind of creamy that you could use actually suck through the straw. You know, it works, but it's mainly used for cereal. All right, well, we've been talking about the Sip-A-Bowl. I hope you guys use this information. I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.